Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Blah Blah Traits. So let's directly hop into the charts. There we go. All right. We will not start with this one. We will start with the weekly chart. Mm, my screen on the right side is flickering. It's really driving me nuts. But yeah, we will figure this out. So let's check this. Um, let's start with the weekly. We got uh, basically nothing different than we had yesterday. We have our fair value gap here, which I thought we would fill this week, but I'm not sure anymore. Like I don't want to make some um, thoughts about the end of the week because Friday could do whatever Friday wants to do because it's NFP, right? But yeah, we will see. Like I don't take any conclusion for the weekly, but we got some nice stuff on the daily. Above us, we have this nice fair value gap here, which was tested, but body stayed below the half point of it. And now we get this order block here, or rather this bookmark here. We are in it again. Like we closed below it and we opened today within it with our new day opening gap. Um, which is dangerous for bullishness itself. But yeah, let's go to the 4-hour chart here. We get some more bearish confirmation, which is this fair value gap, and you clearly see price is trying to go through it, but it has a very difficult time. Not only go above it or to close above it, but also close even within it, which means that, yeah, we basically can calculate lower prices, at least in my point of view, right? I don't think we will go higher. Um, like in terms of higher, I talk about closing, I don't know, somewhere above this fair value gap. Like I don't think we will close above it. In all honesty, I think we will go below it. But we have to consider that we have an enormous buy side here. We have all this buy side here, right? This isn't balanced yet. Like it's still um, a huge buy side. It wicked through it here, but yeah, like for me that's not enough. It could be enough, but I don't think so. I really don't think that it is enough. Anyway, I guess that we will see low prices today, at least for now. We will see what daily is doing, but for now, for me, it's looking like we heading towards lower prices. Um, let me switch this to a bit of more warm light. There we go. It's a bit better for the eyes. Um, yeah, then we got our 15-minute chart. We have some news. We had the red news at 8:50. We have some orange news at 9:45 and then at 10 again. So I really don't think that I will take any trade before 10 a.m. But yeah, let's see. Maybe price is giving me some really nice price action, then I will really consider it. But for now, I don't really think this will happen. Um, yeah, this is later interesting for us. Like we don't expect, I at least I don't expect any divergence right now because yeah, our price action is not that active right now, and we see that's something I don't like. Like we see lower prices on on a DXY, and DXY and NQ is going in tandem right now, and I really like to see it going in different directions and not in the same. So yeah, let me drag this one here. There we go. Mm, so yeah, so mm, man, this flickering on the display is really driving me nuts. Anyway, we wait for the opening. We have 5 minutes left, and yeah, let's see what the opening will do for us. Let's see. We're respecting the last week. Is it the last? Is it still the last week low? Yes, it is. We are respecting the last week low pretty much. Let me put this a bit higher. There we go. We respect the last week high pretty much. Last week low, sorry, on a 1 minute basis. You see it here. It looks good though. Could be something like taking out the buy side here, this here, and then going lower. Mm. Do I want to go in? Let me see. Do I want to go in before 10 o'clock? I don't really think that I will enter because of that, like because of um, ISM services PMI. But let's see. Hold on, give me a second. I'm back again. So So. Yeah, like we got 1 minute left to the opening. I had a, there we go. All right, it's opening time. It's opening time, and we have two news ahead. We have the um, final service PMI, which are those two vertical lines here. Yeah, you don't see it right now because of this sign here, which is giving the newest updates. But basically, um, we had ADP, non-farm employment change. We have the final service PMI, and at the 10 o'clock or at the 9:50 macro, we have also the ISM service PMI. What are the other indices doing while opening? They're not doing much as well here. No. They basically doing the same. Let's see what ES is doing. I marked out some levels on yes, yeah. So slowly but secure we get there. It's a bit more bearish than the NQ though. No, come on, I don't want to do that test. That's what I want to do. Yeah, not really. The range is just a bit bigger. Anyway, let's see. We are holy Bitcoin is strong today, like 2%, not that strong, but stronger. Mm, all right, but we're dancing around zero. DAX, the German stock index is 1% in plus, which isn't that much, but yeah. Anyway, So we will not do really much until the news are over. Price is going down a bit right now. I could imagine that we will trick, or this move is to trick sellers into the market before going higher and tricking then, and taking out then all the um, sellers and then going farther in this direction lower. Because I think we will go lower today. Like I don't really expect higher prices, but I mean, let's see. I could be wrong though. And this is a huge leg lower. Maybe maybe we don't go higher. I don't know. We're not even reached the news. But yeah, let's see. I mean, I'm not really interested in um, front running the price. Neither I'm interested in, I don't know, something like hopping in and hoping that price will continue going lower. Although it's not my, although it's not following my narrative. Like that's not me. That's not me, man. Yeah. Well, anyway. We're going back higher. It's pretty crazy, man. It's some wild price action here. Feels like we only have gone lower to take out the. That's not the last day low. It's the low from the 3rd of March. Well, we have 2 minutes left until we enter the final service PMI. Stock market is looking pretty red. It's crazy. Even a lot of dark red here, right? I mean, pretty red day. So we got 2 seconds left, 1 second, and there we go. Final ISM, no, final service PMI. It's just orange though. In 15 minutes we got like red news, and after then we can consider starting trading normally. Um, where I would enter right now is if price goes higher. Man, I don't know. This isn't really. You know how this is looking to me? Like we do another consolidation now. This is really looking to me like we just go sideways. I don't know. But yeah, anyway, if we go somehow If we go somehow, let me see. This is not our last day low. This is just an old daily low. Mm, our last day is somewhere way above. So, what I would like to see is some touching it at the macro. I don't know. No, look, what I want to see is going higher, and when do I want to see it go higher? From 10 on, like 10:01, I would want to see it go higher, and yeah, like then capitulating on this level, not going or not closing above the last week low, and then going lower to, I don't know, maybe the last day low would be cool. Would be cool. But yeah, let's see. Let's see what price is doing. Oh, I'm tired, man. Oh, wow. Look at this. Look at this, man. This is crazy. Is this changing anything about our bias? No, no, it's not. It's not changing anything. Damn, but heat map is looking really neutral. So I will wait what the macro is having for us. But it looks good so far. Like we hold the buy side. Um, we're still in the range. Like the move below, before the strong move below, and that's like a lot. And now we're doing it again. Mm, I don't know. I don't want. I really don't want to see it, to be honest. But yeah, so it is what it is. It is what it is. 9 minutes left. The macro is starting right now. This is pretty exciting. Heat map is turning into green. Come on. But for now, it's only light green. Let me zoom in here a bit, and let me zoom out here a bit. There we go. Which one is this? This is the 15-second chart. Hmm. Let me delete this. Hmm. Where do we have? I don't want to see. That's kind of strange. Anyway, I wanted to delete this one so it's not always in front of my. Oh, is it this? No, it's not. So it's not always in front of my chart because it's really annoying. But I guess you can't delete this. At least I can't find it. Maybe is it this one? No. No, I have no idea. Um, yeah, anyway. Anyway, then we need it at all. We do need it, like we do need at least a bit to have a feeling for the bullishness or bearishness on lower time frames. 5 minutes left. I think the flickering is like it's not a way away, but it's better, isn't it? Oh no, it's not better. It is better. It's still there. Maybe it's just in my mind, is it? I don't know, man. It has to be there. I don't know. I don't know if my display flickering is still there or not, but anyway. Um, I guess it is. Not that strong, like it's not annoying anymore. I'm used to it right now, but yeah, it's still there. So I read that it's a common mistake from M1 chips, M1 Max chips. It's so annoying, man. I don't get it. Like, how can you bring something on the market with such huge problems? Like, I don't get it. Those things, like, I'm working with Mac Studio, and those are so expensive, man. And I really don't understand it. How can those things be solved with those problems? Like, I don't get it. I don't get it. I really don't get it. But I guess that's part of their game, isn't it? Anyway, we far below where I wanted price to see. We're green in total on the general stock market on the heat map. You can see it here. Um, yeah, like I had a bearish bias, but I thought, to be honest, and I said it before, that we first take out the sell side. Like I wasn't expecting price to just rip down and go lower. That wasn't what I expected. Because, I mean, if we look at the 15-minute chart, we have the London range high, which is not taken out. We have this whole buy side. I mean, this whole thing here is um, liquidity, right? Like this all here, there you go, was just wicked through here, and that's it. Like this whole thing is still in play. And yeah, so I thought we will go higher. I don't know, maybe like we get red news right now at 10 ISM service PMI. Maybe they could do something really wild, like making a huge move up, taking out all the buyers and then go lower. Honestly, I really don't know if I want to be a part of this. Mm, ES is looking way cleaner, but this could be a divergence. Hold on, let's check this. It is. It is a divergence, man. This means we really could go higher. Although I really don't believe it. Like still. Um, Still, I'm not bullish, man. I don't know. I'm really not bullish. Yeah, but the heat map is talking. The heat map is talking about bullishness here, man. I don't know. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. We took out the buy side. I wanted to see been taken out. Is this correct? I don't know. Um, yeah, so basically that was the move I wanted to see. And now I would be fine with lower prices. I will wait until price calmed a bit. And where is our, no, this was the wrong one here. I have to choose it. Where's our first presented fair value gap? Is it this one here? Where are we? 30. Yeah, it's this one here. Which one was it? I guess this one, right? Yeah. Appa. Oh, come on. Oh, that's the wrong chart. There we go. This one is the right one. And our magnet here and here. That's wrong. Here and here. I drag it to the side, make it red, and we want to see how price is behaving there. If we go below it, some retest from below it and showing me willingness to go lower would be my entry for a short. Furthermore, if we do something like inversion, an inversion would be short for me as well. So yeah, let's see. Let's see what price delivers and brings for us. So today it's gonna be the day coming back to you. Right now, man, those songs, those old songs. I don't know if the lyrics were correct, but the song is nice, man. All right, we will go in with two lots. We touched the breaker, which is not a breaker for me though. Like, oh, that's nice. Come on, go below it. Go below it, give me some version, and I will immediately go in. Immediately, like I will not even lash. Is this really going high right now? Is this really going high right now? Is this what it wants to do? Going higher? Where's our 830? We opened here. Like we had the opening range from a 60 points, which is fine. Like 60 points is okay. Mm, let's see how price is behaving. At least we got the impact of the news right now, and we can return back to normal price action. I guess today will be the last day I take a trade. I will be live tomorrow and the day after tomorrow as well, but I think that I will only take a trade today, like for this week, because Thursday and Friday they have to give me something really obvious to go in, and if Friday, then 100% only after 9:30. 9:30. I hope 8:30 are the manufacturing, no, the non-farm employment change. Let's see. Mm, yeah. So we got at 8:30, 8:15, the red news. Oh no, 8:15 is zero, sorry. Like US, the unemployment claims. It's tomorrow, it's at 8:30. I don't think I will do anything tomorrow. And on Friday, oh ho, ho, Friday at this is 12:30, I guess. Paul is speaking, and yeah, maybe I will not take any trade on Friday. Mm, that's a bit too risky for me. So price isn't really giving me some signs of anything here. Like as I said it before, I think we will probably just consolidate. because I mean I don't want to say we haven't done any movement. We had a move about 200 points or so. Let me see. Yeah, let's say we started. Let's just take this move. This is already enough. Like it's 456 and it's 267. Like it's at 190 points. So it's a lot. It's really a lot. Mm, so yeah, man, 100 points is good. What's our ATR? But so it isn't looking bearish to me. It's I have a lack of validation from the NQ. I want to see more validation. I wanted to scream that it is bearish, and it's not screaming it at all. Like it's not even whispering it. It's not showing me any willingness to go lower. Not any willingness to go lower. I don't know, man. If there would be something where I would enter, I really don't think so. I really think that we will. I don't know. I really don't know. I really don't know what we will do. Anyway, we had our PMI here. I can delete this one. Alrighty. We are now on the opening range gap. We have a hard time passing through, or at least closing above on a 15-minute basis. But we had also very difficult time closing above the last week low, and that's even on a 1-minute basis in terms of time frame. But yeah, anyway, what is our ATR saying? That's making me. That's something I'm interested in. ATR. Average true range. There we go. Where is it? Oh, it's here. That's. Ah, come on. Really? Really? So we want it for 7 and we want it for the daily, and we don't want to wait until the time frame is closing. So let's see, where are we? There we go. 495, 492. 492. So we have a bit. We have a bit until we reach this. Long way to go, brother. Hurry up. Hurry up. Mm, Basically, that's the 15-minute matrix I got. Mm, that's pretty nice. Like, that's a nice reaction. Body state above the daily low. We wick through, but that's okay. Looks like we hold strong below, bodies below this level of the last week low, and also below this opening range. That's wrong. Opening range gap high. There we go. Yeah, so pretty nice. Pretty nice. What is ES doing? Pretty much the same thing, but ES has this low here, which I normally want to see this be taken out. This divergence is still that's still a bit of that's a suspect to me though. I don't know. I don't trust this. I don't trust nobody. I don't trust nobody. Not even the indices. Well, anyway, like we're not doing bad. I'm not. I'm not considering switching my bias. I'm still bearish here due to my fair value gap from the 5th of. Hmm, there we go, Uppsala. Do I have dragged the one from yesterday? This is it, isn't it? I'm sure this is it. I'm pretty much sure that this is the first return of fair value gap, isn't it? Yes, it is. So we want this drag to the right side. We want it with what's our first presented fair value gap? I think it's this tone. Mm, interesting. Those are like one above the other. The other one. Hmm. Da, 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 da. That's what I want to see. Come on, give me more stronger bearishness here. Give it to me. Give me, give me. Am I locked out? No way, come on. No, that would suck. Mm, 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 mm. I guess we don't really need this one, do we? I think that it was fine with. Why should we need this? It's bullshit, isn't it? This looks even better. Like this looks way better, I guess. So we can do it just like this, and then we got our profit here. Man, this is cleaner. I like this. I like that. I like that, and that's fine for me though. Maybe some of you don't like it, but if so, there are a lot of other streamers there, so I just do this for the sake of documenting my journey. ICT is going wild on X. I just get his notifications. Is he streaming right now? Let me see. Let me see. Inner Circle Trader. No, he wasn't live. Maybe in his Telegram group. I guess it's about his Telegram group. Yeah, seems so. Anyway, I will not look into it. Like, I would like to look into it, but I will not do this because this is a hindrance to my um, development. If I look at his idea while I'm building my own, like I don't want to do this. I like to look at it in aftermath, like after this day, but for now, I really don't have to do this. I think we will take out the last day low as well, but let's see. Let's see what price is doing and if price is doing what we expect it to do. Still, I would love to see some kind of inversion here, ripping below, leaving this as an inversion level. And I guess I would enter immediately with my stop loss here. Dap, dap, da, 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 da. But it's just dancing around, so I don't really. Yeah, as I said it, man, it looked like, and it confirmed it that it just wants to go sideways. I said it before. I just said it before. And yeah, some of you will say, well, it's not consolidating because it made this move higher and this move lower. Yeah, man, dude, honestly, but it's a huge range, but we still in that range. Like we took out the high, but I don't know. For me, this is not some directional price trend, at least for now. It could develop here. As I said, I would want to say see something like inversion here. That would be great. Like I would take it immediately. But for now, it's not giving me anything here. It's not giving me anything here. Do, 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 do. We get a pretty nice um, last day low here at 20,075 even. No, 0.25. But yeah, let's see how this plays out. Come on, give me a huge wick down to the downside and then re-enter and show me some willingness to go lower. Because I don't expect you to go higher. Hmm. Why are you gay? Come on, give me that gap. Give me that gap. Give me that gap. It's it's already good that we close if we close below the um yeah, I wanted to say below the first real-time ultraviolet gap from today, but we obviously wasn't able to. Weren't able? Wasn't able? No, I still learn. We weren't able to close below it. So um doesn't mean something big, but yeah. Also the other way around. It isn't meaning that something big is without direction. That's what I want to see. That's what I want to see. Now I would like some retest and I would go in into this fair value gap if it gives me the entry. Like I will not head in, but that's exactly what I want to see. Exactly. Like exactly. Have I said this is exactly what I want to see? Huge displacement with a wick. It's perfect because we got this small gap through here. So as soon as price is reaching this level and giving me some reaction, I would immediately jump in. It could give me some reaction here as well. Like if it goes to here and just drops lower, that would be fine as well. Mm, it's depending right now. Like my stop loss would be here is at 414, right? Oh, that's huge. 414, that's 60 points, right? Yeah, it's something I have to take. Something I have to take. Oh, that's wrong. It should be my stop loss. Um, Price is a bit too bullish right now for me. Also, we're not in the macro anymore. I'm considering not going in, but I want to see how price is behaving now, testing the first return of value gap from below. And yeah, so let's see if it goes above it and is able to close above it. I'm really not going in. Like then I'm really not interested in. This is a breaker here as well. So normally I want to see this is the highest point where I want to see some reaction. It shouldn't close above it. It, like it could wick through it and then give me some really huge move down, but I don't want to see it. Is this is seek and destroy, man. Look at this. Oh man, we made some down, took out the sell side, high, took out the buy side, took out the sell side. Fake took out the sell side, took out the buy side. Oh man, this is huge. This is seek and destroy. I still stick with it. We will be bearish, but I think I will not go in. I I don't know, man. This is too much zigzag. Look at this. This is so ugly. It's unbelievable ugly. Like, oh man, I don't want to be part of this one. But yeah, if price is, it is showing me willingness all right already. So if it goes back above it and just isn't able to go inside of it, just touches the real-time fair value gap from today and go below it, I will enter immediately if the reaction is what I expect the reaction to be, like something strong, some very fast, very quick bounce off after just touching it gently. Like I don't even want to see a wick in. I just want to see it gently touch and then wick um, um, displays lower, and then I would enter. If we go in, I wouldn't enter. Although my bearishness is still in play, even if we wick through. Like for my bearishness to be not in play anymore, we have to close above this level, and I don't think that will happen. And if price goes without me right now, I'm fine. I'm okay with it. I'm fine with it. That's completely okay for me because, as I said, like this is hard price action right now, and yeah, I don't need to be involved in this. I really don't. It's also too clean, man. This is way too clean for my taste. I don't know. Maybe I'm tripping. Maybe I'm delusional right now, and I just see um, stuff too stubborn. But no, man, this isn't for me. This isn't for me. But yeah, I'm fine if my if my bias will hit, would be cool. But I will not jump in blindly. I mean, in general, the price action is at least in the last 15 minutes, 30 minutes. In the last 30 minutes, it's okay. And if you zoom in, but if you zoom out, this isn't really nice. Like this isn't something nice. Simple as that. I can't find other words for it because it's simply not. It's not nice looking. It's not a clear price action here. Also, what you don't see, it's my secret here. No, I'm joking. Like we have some levels here as well, and it's respecting them. Look at this, like the wicks respecting it totally, the bodies here respecting it. The bodies here, the wicks here respecting this level as well. Before we respected this level, I don't know, man. Like I don't want to say I switched to bullishness. To bullishness. Don't get me wrong. I stick with my bearishness, but all those reactions on 15-second and 1 minute levels, they are a bit too much for me, though. I like something like a quick touch to one level, and then from this touch, some huge displacement into the direction I want it to be. But what I don't want or what I don't like to see is um, dancing around. And this as well, like staying in those ranges, in those levels, like this fair value gap from yesterday, it's it's too much of zigzag and not respecting the levels, which is giving me a higher risk, a percentage of risk. And why should I? Why should I take something which gives me instead of, I don't know, maybe 30% risk of hitting my stop loss? Um, no, different. Sorry. Why should I take something which is giving me a risk of 30% to, I did it again. Why shouldn't I wait until I have a price which is giving me like 30% risk of hitting my stop loss instead of just heading into it right now with the risk of like I don't even have numbers right now, but like with not respecting the levels is it's really like it's even more than 50-50. I would say it's I don't know 60-40, 60% probability that that it will hit my stop loss because it's not respecting the levels. I don't know. Only thing which would give me an entry right now is if it would touch the fair value gap of the 5th of March, and yeah, then immediately goes lower. Like if it gives me immediately some kind of reaction, I would go in. But even there, I'm not sure. Like, this is not an entry where I'm fire and flame for it, and I'm like, yeah, I want to enter there. It's not at all like this. Like, no, man, this isn't something I really want to be involved in. But man, the odds are here. So if price is doing what I expect it to do, fuck it, I will be in. I will be in. I mean, my risk is, what is my risk at this entry there? The limit is here. The risk is, let's say entry here. The risk is around 200 bucks. So yeah, I mean, that's not the world. This is not the world. And my partial would be, first partial would be here. It's around 30, 50, 50 points. And second partial would be here. That's around 80 points, I guess. Like terminus would be here. Yeah, but let's see. Let's see how price is behaving. We haven't touched it yet. We still have some kind of, can you see this? Yeah, we still have some kind of gap here. And I want to see the reaction while touching it and not falling short before it. That's not the uh, meaning of reacting to a level. To me, at least, at least to me, it's not. At least it's not to me. Let's see if it has touched it. There we go. I'm out. I'm out. This is what I don't want to see. And yes, it could react now with a huge leg lower, but it's not what I want to see. This candle here is absolutely, this is screaming and shouting at me, just don't go short. So I will not do this. I will not do this. Although, as I said, it could go lower. It could go invert right now and just go lower from here. And this was just I don't know, some weird move to take stops inside of this gap, man. I don't know, but it's not for me though. It's not a price action for me. Even more, we made this relative equal highs here. We have this buy side here. We have even more buy side here. It's too much. It's too much. Um, it's too much against my um, idea of being short. So, so without me, please do this, but do it without me. I mean, look at this. That's the 15-minute chart. This is ugly. This is ugly. I don't, ew. Would you like to be in this price action? Even if you look at it on a 15-minute basis, like let's imagine you're I don't know, you're short here, immediately stopped out. You're long here because this was the support, right? The resistance, sorry. You've been short here. Boom, wake up, took out. Like if we assume you're a normal support and resistance trader here. Uh, Give me a second. Oh, there is a resistance. Price has to hold it. A support. Oh, we stepped through it. Sorry, stop loss triggered. Even the DXY is going in tandem. All the indices are doing the same. Yeah, we got this uh, divergence here. Let me draw this out so nobody can say there was no divergence. There we go. This goes up. Yeah, so this isn't going straight. You see it here. It's 77 and 70.68, 2 points difference. It is what it is. Difference is the difference. And here we go lower. I mean, that should be pretty obvious. And we don't even have to take the Dow into it. but we could. This is also higher like the S&P is, which is telling us it should go higher, even more. So again, something against our bias. So I guess we will close this week, and we made this week. We started this week, haven't we? No, we haven't started this week. I made 2 trades this week. Let me have a look. Let me have a look. How much did we make this week? This from 5 days. This wasn't this week. This wasn't this week as well, I guess. Um, man, I guess we only did something around, holy, we only did something around $100 or so, $200. That's okay. But guess what? If we reach a capital, let me bring it up. If we reach a capital of 50,500 next week, I will consider switching to minis because my risk should be able to hold this. I mean, we are not taking a trade anyway. We can um, just do this for the sake of fun. Here we go. NQ. Nah, come on. NQ, and let's do the same trade we did before, which was this was our opening for value gap, wasn't it? Yeah, it was. This one, that's wrong here. All right, and we had our risk. Just make it, we don't have, we can make a circle. We don't have to make it like 100%. Let's go with one. I mean, that's a lot. That's a lot, but yeah, you have to also see partial and terminus, right? Or let's say partial, because I only trade with one lot. Like we talking here about a stop loss, which is 40, 50 points away. Like 50 points stop loss is 1,000. Um, I underestimated it. So I'm not sure. Maybe we just switch if we got 1,000. So one losing trade will throw us all the way back to the beginning. Uh, that wouldn't be good. That wouldn't be good. Yeah, let's see. Let's see. It also depends a lot on how price is behaving. Um, how price is behaving. ugly price action, so I could guarantee you that I will not take anything anymore today. Oh, the flickering is away. Now it's completely away. Whoa, what is this? I mean, what is this? Huh? What is this? Why is that so? Why is that? Tell me, why is that? Let's see what the other traders are saying. Let's tune in. Am I really the only one who's thinking this price action is ugly? Like nobody's saying anything on the other streams. I guess both of them I'm looking right now at are in a trade. No, no, they're not. Just one. Don't get me wrong, I'm still bearish here, but not really a price action I feel secure taking. So Oh, yeah, so again, we are at a point where I will close the stream at 11:15 because I don't see some reason in being long or short or anything. So, yeah, I don't know. I really don't like this price action. Yeah, and I think I was right. I have to look at it in aftermath, but I'm pretty sure I was right that price will just stay inside of this range. Let's see. Let's see. I mean, it's going lower. I'm still, I stick with it. I'm still bearish. I'm still bearish, and I think we will go lower. But yeah, we will see. We will see. So we just go higher and lower and higher and lower here. I'm just petting the dog, if you wonder what I'm doing and why I'm sitting here so chilled. Yeah, so to be all honest, I don't think it makes any sense to stick longer with the price and also to stay longer with the stream because, yeah, like obviously price isn't really doing anything right now. So why should we stay here and do nothing and just look at the price or not even look at the price but do other things? Like petting the dog. Mm, I will end the stream here and I think that that makes the most sense. Like, I don't see any real sense in staying in just for the sake of being on the stream. I mean, that's not why you guys should tune in. That's not why I should stream. I want to stream to make you part of my journey and not to not to just stream no matter what. Hold on. So just had to accept a call real quick. Yeah, where have we stopped? Yeah, so basically this is nothing I want to be involved in. Um, I will close the stream here. This makes no sense to me. It's not respecting fair value gaps. It's balancing them um, above and below. We have a really ugly price action. Like this is nothing I want to trade. Rather, I stay without the trade than taking this. But nonetheless, I guess that we still go lower. Maybe not now. Maybe not even in AM session. But throughout the day, I still think we will go lower. I expect the PM session to do some wild price moves lower to the last day low. So that's my expectation from today. I will not be attend at the PM session. I don't trade the PM session. I just make the AM session. And today we haven't had any trade, but yeah, we're fine with it. At least I am. I'm good with it. So I will close the stream. I will be online tomorrow at 9:50 again. I'm not taking any trades the rest of the week. So yeah, have a nice day. If you trade, be careful, and I wish you a good trading. And I see you tomorrow at 9:50. Have a nice time.